Turn recording on or off for Meet. Sign in to your Google Admin Console at admin.google.com. If you allow users to record calls and meetings, they can find them in the Meet Recordings folder in Google Drive. Recordings are saved for 3 months. To make sure users can access recordings, you need to make sure the users have Drive turned on. Make sure the users have permission to create new files in Drive. Drive and Docs are turned on by default for most organizations. To record and save recordings to Drive, both the user and the organization must have enough available storage space in Drive. In the Admin Console, go to Menu, Apps, Google Workspace, Google Meet. Click Meet Video Settings. To apply the setting to everyone, leave the top organizational unit selected. Otherwise, select a child organizational unit or a configuration group. Click Recording and check or uncheck the Let People Record Their Meetings box. Click Save. If you configured an organizational unit or group, you might be able to either inherit or override a parent organizational unit, or unset a group.